In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Revolut account. Go to your device's App Store and search for Revolut and download the app. Once the app is downloaded and installed on your device, tap on it to launch. Tap Sign Up or Get Started. Input your phone number and tap Continue. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter it and enter your full name, date of birth and address, and you may need to upload a photo of your ID for identity verification. Create a secure PIN to use biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. Follow any additional prompts to complete your registration and review and accept the terms and conditions. Once your account is set up and verified, you can begin using Revolut to manage your finances. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.